The endemic and beautiful Dzuko lily is found only in the Dzuko Valley, which is well known for its natural environment, seasonal flowers, flora and fauna, well hidden among the high mountain ranges on the Manipur Nagaland border at an altitude of 2,452 meters above the sea level. Termed as paradise on the earth by poets, Dzuko Valley attracts not only local but many national and international tourists who flock the lush green valley every year to witness the blooms of the rare pink color with slight shades of white Dzuko lilies. To maintain the natural ecosystem of the valley, which is home to the endemic Dzuko lily. Southern Angami Youth Organization has been taking major initiatives to preserve and maintain the valley in its best form. Efforts of the organization paid off when the Dzuko Valley was officially announced as a plastic-free zone by Advisor of Youth Resources and Sports, Government of Nagaland, Zale Nikha on World's Environment Day 2019. Endeavoring to make Dzuko Valley a plastic-free zone, Southern Angami Youth Organization has been striving relentlessly to curb usage of plastic products in the valley since May this year. Members of Southern Angami Youth Organization checked tourists visiting Dzuko Valley at Dzuko Point, Vishrema in Kohima district of Nagaland to make sure they are not in possession of any plastic products which could pollute the valley. Tourists are allowed to take along essential plastic items with them on a payment of certain amount of money as a security deposit to be refunded hassle-free when they bring back their items as they exit the valley. In order for the upcoming generation to acknowledge the indigenous ways of their ancestors and stand tall in spirit and pride among their counterparts, isn't it high time for the inhabitants of Manipur to all come together and follow the initiative of Southern Angami Youth Organization to safeguard the Dzuko Valley of the state? This is Joyce Usham, Bureau Report, Impact News.